Okay, today I'm visiting my mom and I brought along my laptop as well as this Logitech Lift mouse. I'm going to do a nice review on the Lift mouse and let you know how I feel it is in travel. This also happens to be the mouse that I use at home and at work and also on my iPhone tablet. So this is the Logitech Lift mouse and it has 4 customizable buttons, 1, 2, 3, 4. Currently, these are set up as front and back, and I have not set up what the scroll wheel is and this button is. What I like about it is honestly the shape. It did take a little bit getting used to. It holds your hand at a nice angle, so it makes it more comfortable to utilize the mouse over long periods of time, and there's less strain on your wrist as you use it. And I work on my computer a lot, sometimes 10 to 12 hours a day. So I decided to try this ergonomic mouse and give it a try. And I definitely feel like it is a lot more comfortable than the typical mouse where you have to go like this. The other thing that I like about this mouse is that you can connect it to 3 different devices. I have it connected to my laptop, my work computer, and my tablet. The other thing is you can turn it off. It does use a regular battery, so you could put, whatever batteries you want. I have had this for a couple of months, and it's currently only at like 97% battery, so it does not use a lot of battery. It does not use a lot of the battery. It does last a nice long time. It also comes with this USB dongle if you want to have a stronger connection. So if you're in an environment that's like an airport or with a lot of other Bluetooth devices, you might want to use this Logitech dongle. I have not had to use it so far in any situation. I've just been able to utilize it through, I've been able to utilize the Bluetooth pretty easily, and it's really easy to switch devices. You just press this button here and you can switch from device to device. So I do like the fact that it's ergonomic, that it does have some customizable buttons. You can download software from the Logitech site to program these buttons, and I can easily access and switch between 3 devices. This battery case is magnetic, so you can easily open it with one hand. One thing I wish it probably was rechargeable, but these batteries have lasted, like I said, already a couple of months, and are only a couple percentages down with the battery, so they do last a long time. But so even though it's not rechargeable, it doesn't run through batteries really quick. If you want to purchase this product, I do have a link in the description below where I do earn a small commission when you purchase through that link. Feel free to use it or not, but also check out my playlist of Amazon finds and like and subscribe to my channel for more Amazon finds. Thanks. Have a good day.